Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Sue here from 1A Auto, and we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop. I'm just going to show you where the radiator overflow tank is located and how to top it off, and how to check the fluid level. So once you have your hood open, engine compartment, over here on the passenger side, you can see the radiator overflow. I can see here the car hasn't been running for a couple hours now, so it's set at the cold level, and you can see that it's a little bit lower than actually the low level, so I'm going to top it off. So the proper time to open this cap is when this car has been sitting for several hours. I like to check coolant first thing in the morning before I start the engine. Even if it's cold out, I'll do it, open the hood. If it needs to be added, I'll add it then, because I know there's no pressure in the system. You can check your manual for what type of fluid. I've got a universal mix here, so I can mix it with any color. I'm going to bring it right up to the proper level of where it should be when it's cold. And that is perfect when it's cold. When it gets hot and you've run the car for a couple hours, you ever open the hood and look, it should be up high as the fluid expands. Place my cap back on, make sure it bottoms out, and this one might even click. No click, but bottomed right out. That's what we want it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.